continuing fractions and decimals chapter. In that, for expansion of decimal numbers. See, expansion of numbers you have learnt in your previous classes. 234.487. This decimal number contains two parts. Here before decimal point 3 digits are there and after decimal point 3 digits are there. Place value of decimal numbers also you have learnt in your previous class. So here, while expanding the number, before decimal point, as usual, number expansion, like number expansion only, you have to expand the number. That means 234. Just you consider only before decimal point digits number is 234. In that it contains unit place, tens place, and hundredth place. So how to expand this? 2 into 100 plus 3 into 10 plus 4 into 1. Now plus after decimal point 487, 3 digits are there. In this, in the place value chart, that is one tens, hundreds, and thousands, 10,000s, like that it goes. So 4, here 4 is tens place. So 4 into 1 by 10. Tens means 1 by 10 plus next digit is 8. 8 into 1 by 100 plus 7 into 1 by 1000. If one more digit, if it is there, means that digit into 1 by 10,000. So 10.34. This contains before decimal point 10. So 1 into 10 plus 0 into 1 plus after decimal point 2 more digits, only 2 digits. So 3 into 1 by 10 plus 4 into 1 by 100. So I hope you understood expansion of decimal numbers. Now addition of decimal numbers. As usual, number addition how we will do. But here only the this is decimal number. When you add the number, as usual adding, when you cross the decimal point here, you have to put decimal point for the sum also. So addition, you know. Next, tell the value of 39.87 minus 21.98. This is subtraction. Same like subtraction, but when you cross the decimal point, you have to put the decimal point. In exercise 2.5, for the 7th, 8th and 9th sum, I am giving only hints and some sentences I have written. Addition, adding and subtraction, if any, if it is there, means you have to complete that. 7th question, Ayub travelled from A to B and from B to C. A to B distance is 7.5 km and B to C distance is 12.7 km. And this is Dinesh. Ayub travelled from A to D and from D to C. A to D distance is 9.3 km and D to C distance is 7.8 km. You have to find out who travelled more and some from and by how much. Who travelled more and by how much you have to find out. To find out who travelled more, first of all we have to find out the total distance travelled by Dinesh and Ayub. Dinesh travelled from A to B and from B to C. A to B distance is 7.5 and B to C distance is 12.7. While writing the digits here, 12.7, this contains 2 digits before decimal point. So first unit place below this is unit place digit. Below that unit place digit should come. Not writing 1 below 7 and 2 right here. 1 should go to tens place. Here tens place digit is not there. Then adding this, find out the total distance travelled by Dinesh. Same way, Ayub travelled from A to D. A to D distance is 9.3 km and D to C distance is 7.8 km. Add this, find the sum. Sum is the distance travelled by Ayub. Then compare the distance travelled by Dinesh and Ayub and write the conclusion who travelled more. Then by how much? How to find by how much? You have to subtract the sums. How will you subtract? Which one you will write first? From which you are subtracting which sum? So bigger number you have to compare these sums, and bigger sum you have to, from the bigger sum you have to subtract smaller sum. Then that the answer you are getting, difference you are getting, no, that is that much. So that much difference of sums by write how much, that much distance difference you have to write. Write unit, don't forget to write a unit like a kilometer. You have to write here. So if you get 1 kilometer means 1 kilometer is the difference of sums you have to write. So next sum here, Shama here to Shama and Sarala, they bought fruits from shop, and you have to find out total who bought more fruits. You have to find out. So who bought more fruits means you have to find out first the weight, total weight of the fruits. So Shama brought apple 5 kg 300 gram. She bought mangoes 3 kg 250 gram. Add these two, we'll get the total weight. And then Sarala bought oranges 4 kg 800 gram and bananas 4 kg 150 gram. Add these two, you'll get a total weight. Then compare these two. Write the conclusion. Who bought more fruits? In sentence, you have to write. If Sarala brought more, Sarala's that weight is more means you have to write Sarala bought more fruits. Next question, ninth question. Ninth question is, we'll read the question. How much less 28 kilometer than 42.6 kilometer? How much means you have to subtract 42.6 kilometer minus 28 kilometer. If we subtract this, we'll get the answer. Subtract 28 kilometer from 42.6. 42.6 first number, below that 28 kilometer. So here in the second 28, no decimal part. So in that part, if you want, you can write 0.0, 28.0, 42.6 minus 28.0 you can write. Next, multiplication of decimal number. Here multiplication is as usual multiplication, all of you know. Multiply it. When you cross the decimal point, now when you multiply by 0, at that time you are crossing this decimal point. In that, when you cross the decimal point, for the product also you put decimal point. Here also, see 3 sevens are 21, 3, 2 carrying. So 3 zeros are 0 plus 2 you have to do 2. Now when you are multiplying 3 ones are, so at that time you are crossing the decimal point. In that place you have to put decimal point for the product also. And 7 into 0.6, but I have changed the order. 0.6 I wrote first into 7. So more digit number you have to write first, and then here this is single digit number. Lesser digit number you have to write next. So for that I have changed the order. 0.46 into 7. So answer 3.22. So multiplication also, I hope you know. So if you multiply any number by 0, product is 0. So 8 6 are 48, 4 carrying 8 zeros are 0, 0 plus 4 is 4, and 8 zeros are 0. When you cross decimal point, put decimal point also. And write the place value of 3 in the following decimal. So 3.40. So 3 is here. What's the place value? This is before decimal point. Before decimal point and after decimal point places are different. So before decimal point only one digit means unit place, or ones place also you can say, or unit place also you can write. Ones place. 8.35. This is after decimal point. First comes after decimal point tenths place. If the number is here, that is hundreds place, like that. So here 36.46. Here it is. So that is before decimal point number. So tens place. So here 7.473 after decimal point. 3 is here. So this is tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. So 3 is thousands place. So these are example sums. Exactly similar sums are there for you as a homework. Work out homework sums. Refer example sums and do. Write the following decimal numbers in expanded form and write the place value of 2 in the following decimals. 2 is here. Ones place, here 2, tens place, like that. After decimal point means tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. So Dinesh, this way solving 7th, 8th and 9th sum, first you copy the question and complete the solution. Next is finding the product. This also is their example sums. Refer that sums, understand it and do it. Thank you, students.